Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use both text and vision AI models from Ollama in Python using just Langchain and Ollama. We'll cover full setup, model downloads, and practical examples. Let's get started. First, install the required libraries. Run these pip commands to get Langchain Community and Ollama packages. Then pull two models, Llama 3:8b for text generation and Lava:7b for vision capabilities. This downloads the models to your local machine. Now let's use the text model. Import Ollama from Langchain, initialize it with our Llama 3 model, and set temperature for creativity control. The invoke method sends prompts and returns responses. This example asks for a simple AI explanation. Here's where it gets exciting. For vision capabilities, we use the same Ollama class, but with the Lava model. We create a message containing both text instructions and an image reference. The model analyzes the image and provides a description. This works with local files or URLs. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'll be posting more tutorials on AI models, Langchain advanced usage, and practical applications. Your subscription helps me create better content for you. Here's a complete function that handles both text and vision inputs. It automatically chooses the right model based on your input. This is perfect for building applications that need both capabilities. Ollama runs everything locally, so your data stays private. Thanks for watching. Try these examples and let me know what you build in the comments.